Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these fun little stuffed tulips. You could add a wooden stick of some kind, like a chopstick or craft stick, to make tall tulips. Or just sew them without the sticks, and they'll be a quick and easy way to fill your bowls and baskets and tiered trays for springtime. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the tulip, a piece of leaf fabric for the tulip, polyester fiberfill, pinking shears, a marking pencil, something for the stem like a chopstick or a wooden skewer or craft stick, some craft glue or hot glue, and of course the printable templates. First, place a piece of tulip fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place another piece of tulip fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the tulip together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space at the bottom open for stuffing. Be sure to go slow to keep from sewing the paper, and make sure your needle is in the down position when pivoting. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Be sure to use extra caution when cutting inside those points. Use the bottom opening to stuff the tulip with fiberfill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and insert the wooden stem into the stuffing. Use a pencil to mark the fabric on each side of the wooden stem, and then remove the stem. Take the tulip back to your sewing machine and continue stitching around the tulip up to those markings you made. Then retrim the opening for a neater look. Reinsert the stem into the bottom of the tulip. Work the stem up into some of the stuffing and secure it in place by gluing the stem to that tulip opening. Let the craft glue dry or the hot glue cool. Place the leaf template in the middle of the leaf fabric and use pinking shears to cut out the leaf. With the wrong side of the leaf fabric facing up, center the leaf under the stem near the bottom of the tulip. Fold the leaf over the top and tie it. Adjust it as necessary and glue into place. And just like that, just that fast, you have some quick and easy fabric tulips for your springtime home decor. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.